My love, look at me.
Mama, you're filming the house while it's a mess. I still need to clean.
Hayaan nyo na yung bahay namin, guys. Mahal, look at me.
You are so beautiful.
I made myself beautiful, so I'm not looking sick for you. Gumagawa na po ng breakfast ang mister ko. Ito yung akin, oh. Grabe, alaga talaga. Masyado kami dito, guys. Yun lang, kay makalat ang bahay. Hayaan na natin yan, no. Nagpaganda si Inday Garnet today. Sus, kung makita nyo lang itura ko kanina. Mukhang may sakit talaga. Po? Opo, Kleina. Hindi pa rin po ako okay no. Nagpapagaling pa rin po ako. 2 days na kaming nakauwi sa bahay, guys. Kapon hindi po ako nag-vlog kasi sama yung pakiramdam ko. Pero ngayon medyo okay po ako. For you.
If you show them the kitchen and stuff like this, then they think that I won't take care of you and
Mahal, you are super taking care of us. Yesterday, you did the laundry. You did everything for us, Mahal.
Yeah, but
not doing
you know, it was a mess because we haven't been in this house for a long time.
And you cook for me twice yesterday. Minamanduhan ko lang siya ba kung anong kailangan niyang gawin.
Don't worry, Mahal. I will clean the house soon so they won't see the mess anymore.
They don't care about that, Mahal. Ito bigay ni Bianan, guys. Oh, grabe, nagustuhan ko masyado ang vase. Kaganda ba? Naba din pala namin yung tray ni Nathan dito kay para makapaglaro-laro po siya. Update, Mahal. Update about me.
Update about you.
Still high fever.
Your fever is still going up and down. Blood pressure is going well with the medication. You're still on antibiotics. We did have to call the doctor yesterday and we doubled your medicine for your heart rate because your heart rate was too high.
Yeah, too high ang heart rate ko, guys. Grabe mag-palpitate. I was palpitating yesterday, Mahal. So, we doubled it twice a day.
No, once a day, double the dose. Why are you looking like that?
Twice a day because it's 2 tablets. I don't want to take it in one go.
No, they told me it needs to be once a day, double the dose.
I like
I
that.
asked them if you need to do, you know, because you have the double dose, that you need to do 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. They said no, do that now because it was the evening then. So today you will get 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and tomorrow you will get both in the morning.
I like that. Kahapon po kasi kahit nakaupo lang ako, umabot ng 130. What is that, Mahal? BPM? 130 BPM. Tapos grabe na ako mag-palpitate. Baka tumawag po kami sa doktor. Tapos sa gabi, yung pag magiga na nga ako, inuubo po ako. Grabe, oh. Instant kimchi ba? Tanggal lahat ng taba. Gusto ko pong magpagupit. Gusto ko na pong magpaano ulit, magpa-short hair. Tapos magpa-dark na po ako. Sabi pa ni Daniel, dalhin niya daw ako sa salon. Gusto ko i-bumper ang sarili ko, guys. Gusto ko magpakuko. Pero hindi pa rin po mabuti masyado ang pakiramdam ko dahil nga sa lagnat ko ba, napabalik-balik. Siyempre, di ba, pag tinatrangkaso po tayo, masama ang pakiramdam natin, yung mga masakit ang mga kasukasuan natin. Vilya, Tay?
Yeah.
Tay fan, Mama? Mag-say hi muna ikaw, Bi.
Hi.
Hi, guys. Sabihin mo.
Hi, guys.
Good morning. Ano? Ang buhok mo, ikaw, magpunta ka din. Ha? Sa barber, ha? Magpagupit ka din, ha? Ikat ang hair mo?
Nay.
Agoy. Wow! Yogurt with blueberries.
Mama.
Po. Ano kain mo? Yogurt with blueberries. Blaubessen.
Yeah.
That is lekker. Kaya na umakanda? Grabe. Alam nyo, kasaya-saya ni Nathan. Opo, kasaya-saya ni Nathan na nakauwi na ako, guys. Yan, nagbalik sigla na siya. Nathan, kaya na uma? No. Inom na po tayo ng gamot. Ayan. 4 para sa high blood, para sa heart rate, at yung aking antibiotic. Punta po tayo kay Bianan. Kay na-miss niya na daw ang apo niya, guys. Katagal 3 weeks ba naman ako sa ospital. Siya ang nagbantay. Na ano na siya ba? Nasanay na siya na palagi silang magkasama ni Nathan.
I don't really know the dates anymore and the time and the whatever.
Yeah, Wednesday we went home.
Wednesday we went home, and then yesterday was Thursday. So we had the first full day with you yesterday. So today is Friday. Yeah, yesterday was the first day because we called the hospital and we were still allowed to call the nursing department that you were before.
Before 48 hours.
In the first 48 hours.
Dito na po tayo. Dito na sa labas si Bianan.
Hello!
Oh. Thank you very much. So nice.
You're looking good.
I'm thin now, Vika.
Yeah.
I put makeup.
Yeah, more.
For
nice.
you.
Thank you.
Hello, how are you? You miss Nathan?
Yes, and you, of course. Nice.
Dito na po tayo sa bahay.
Hey.
Hi, Oma! Oma, happy kami, sir? Ekbar! Nadali na. Laro na siya dito. Is that an Polizzi Bureau? That is Tokan Polizzi Bureau? What is that, Dan?
Auto.
An autos, yeah. Maar de andere. Yung isa, what is that?
This is the
Yeah, that is the Polizzi Bureau. What did your son do?
No, there's a mouse here, look. That's already the third one.
Peach. That's peach, right? Perzik?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can have it.
Oh, thank you, Vic.
Alsjeblieft, dan ga je al het eten.
Wil je
Ja,
niet
nou wel.
voorzichtig? Is lekker, hoor. Lekker. Lekker? Ja?
Oh, schatje.
Mahal, let's go to the barber for Nathan, Mahal. For
Sometime.
Ja.
I cannot do that, Mahal.
Yeah, that's fine.
Toch lekker, schatje. Van me.
Pagupitan natin
But
yan
he's,
siya.
he's still okay with his hair, Mahal.
Toch wel, hè?
Also you need to
I'm
go.
also still okay.
Toen vond je het wel
Because,
lekker.
Mahal, I have other stuff to do first.
Yeah.
Oh, ben je toch wel lekker vind?
Like,
Ben je toch wel lekker?
Like taking care of you and Nathan, cleaning the house, and then I still need to bring the car for repairs, and I need to go to the gemeentehuis, and I also would like to visit my friend maybe, you know. That's more important than hair.
havermilk? Aga daw sila yung paborito niya na ano, foam milk. Wow! That's in Mama Oak lekker. Gusto din niya ni Mama. Oh. Dabi, Mama Oak? Mama, ang becha for Mama?
Oh,
Ay, that's the fail. Oh, kasweet naman ni Nathan. Thank you, Vel. Ang ano niya pa, upuan niya pa na parang pang Cinderella, oh. So,
Pop.
lekker hoor. Sarap naman yan. My love, are you cooking soup tonight? Filipino soup?
sure.
Then we need to go to the butcher for that.
And the toko.
Yeah. Kasing
I know
pa.
how to cook sinigang, Mahal.
Langzam.
Langzaam?
What eh?
Langzal.
Aw, langzal. Langzal. Langsam.
Slowly she will live. Slowly she will live.
Lang-
Langzaam.
Langsal. Yeah, I know, mahal. It's langsal, mahal. Langsal Salafen. Langsal Salafen.
Langzaam sa
Si Vika. Outfit of the day. In the
Oh,
clothes.
pas op je melk.
Pas op je mak.
Straks af.
Ja,
Ja, die kapop.
Yeah! That is so.
Nathan is almost di kapop. Auw!
Wat zeggen we daar? Wat zeg jij daar? Wat zeg jij daar? Ik kan er niet tegen, hè? Zo doen.
Yeah.
Dan komt hij naar je toe.
Sabi pa ni Bianan si Nathan daw ano may good humor po daw siya.
Dikke pop is goed, hè?
Ano ba mahilig siya magpatawa.
Dikke pop.
Ano no. Uh-oh.
Toch niet een dikke poep.
He got that from the mom and dad. Good humor. But mostly mom.
Dikke poep, het is niet een dikke poep hoor. Het is niet een dikke poep hoor. Het is een dikke pop. Oh, fietsen. Dikke poep, de pop. Pop. Ja.
Nathan is busy.
Nog een keer, ik kan er wat bij.
Mal.
Tieten kom, tieten kom, tieten kom, kom, tieten kom, tieten kom, tieten kom, kom, tieten kom.
How much is a piano, mahal? Vika is much.
Much.
How much is a piano? Because Vika is
4
saying
years.
no. I meant how much?
Oh. A new one?
Second hand.
I think you can buy this for 3,000.
Yeah.
Maybe mahal. Maybe Anna wants to get rid of his wing piano.
Ang tatay
Of
niya.
his grand piano. It's a grand piano in English.
Kasi si Nathan ba
Then we
mahilig
can
siya sa
get it. You want the
piano.
grand piano?
No.
You know the big one?
No, I don't want that.
Vleugel.
Oh.
Vika was saying that maybe we should have a piano because Nathan really wants
Yeah.
to play piano.
Met het boek.
Yeah, met the
I sent
book.
Anne also the
The neighbors will really love it.
Yeah.
yeah. Maar,
Maghanap tayo ng mga second hand na piano.
yeah.
Gusto niya talaga kung tinan. Gano pa siya sa libro. Wow, goed zo, Nathan.
Ja, hij kan echt doet met zijn handjes, zijn vingers.
Let him daw mahal, let him daw mahal. Sige daw, be, si Nathan daw, be. Wow, and the book lesson. Very good. Wala na, naghanap na, guys. Looking ready.
Let's get an Electron.
What is Selecton, mahal? That was ugly, man. It's very...
Electric organ, super nice.
Hmm?
It's the best.
Maar look, dit is akoestisch.
Yeah, that looks nice, Vika.
En it's 2,200.
Yeah, but that's second hand, right?
Ja, maar wat maakt het uit?
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, where is that?
Dit is gewoon een akoestisch, is toch gewoon wat wij ook hebben gedaan?
Akoestisch.
Ja.
Een gewone piano.
Het is niet elektrisch.
Nee,
Look, mahal.
2200. Met een krukje. Nou, dan bied je 1800. Of je biedt 1700.
Betaalbaar.
Hi.
En het is wat voor merk? Honer?
Honer, ja.
Honer is wel een goed merk.
Niks
Nee.
Dikke poep, dikke pop. Niks dikke poep, dikke poep, dikke poep. Dat willen wij niet, een dikke poep. Een dikke poep, dikke poep.
Alis na po tayo kay mag-grocery pa po kami ng pang ribs tonight. Palutuin ko to si Daniel. Sabaw na ribs. Tapos maraming gulay. Ha? Yan, eat by the road the auto. Papunta po kami ngayon sa butcher na yung sinasabi ni Dayan na mura po daw ang mga ano nila doon. Yeah?
Yes.
Kumakanta kasi siya. O, then na-play na ni Mama. Yay! Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Ano man no yung dahan-dahan lang mga kilos ko ba. Mahina pa rin ako guys no, pero kailangan ko din man maglakad-lakad. Pag nasa bahay, nakahiga lang po ako at nakaupo. Grabe guys, hindi nga normal. Kamura. As in, mura masyado. Hindi katulad dun sa binibilan namin. Makabayad ako 50 euros. Dito ang ano nila, tag 8 euros lang oh. Ang kilo, pati ang ribs, 7 euros ang kilo. Opo. Kati mo kay Mama. tumawag po ang doktor bago lang. Bisitahin po daw nila ako dito sa Friday. Watch ikaw?
Yeah.
Watch. May kirot-kirot ang dito sa may atay ko guys. So, pero kaya lang ano, durable ang sakit. Yung parang mag-ano siya ba? Saglit lang naman. Parang sa may atay banda. Ipa-check ko ang vitals ko kay Daniel kay parang mataas na naman ang lagnat ko. Pero hindi ko siya maramdaman guys. Kung hindi na, yung hindi mataas talaga na makabot na ako ng 39 again or 38. Hindi ko po siya masyadong maramdaman ano, parang normal na lang po talaga sa akin. Kasi nga hindi po mababa ang lagnat ko. Ang sabi daw ng doktor, dahil po daw yan sa yung hematoma ko ba, dahil po daw yan dyan. Pag ganito na ako, yung parang hinihingal na.
Yes, here's your private nurse. I need to get the stuff from upstairs. I'll be right back.
You did not get it yet?
You don't have to go to the hospital to get attached to all the machines.
But why is the doctor coming here, mahal, to see how am I here at home?
Yeah.
Oh, be careful with my bruise. Sakit pa rin po siya.
The doctor
Meron pa man kunti.
received a report from the hospital.
Yeah.
And she is the huisarts. So she does.
The house doctor.
Yeah, the 39.
37.7.
Yeah. 100 over 85, so that's also good.
And my heart rate.
Your heart rate is a little bit high still, but your blood oxygen is very good.
Okay.
So
Yeah, my
really, it is your heart rate that is still a little bit
High.
of a problem.
Can that be, mahal, that I have heart failure, mahal?
A little bit raised heart rate is not a heart failure.
Magpahinga muna ako. Mamaya na naman tayo mag-update.
It's hot here.
I'm cold.
Yes, because I'm going up and down and doing all this stuff in the house. That's why I'm hot.
Yeah.
Because I was thinking of turning on the floor con.
Ay, turn on the floor con.
But then it will be more cold.
No, because then it will be hot. Mag-abot po
because
ng...
we are getting all the solar energy now, so let's
Yeah.
use it.
Mag-abot ng 29 degrees po bukas na. Ang lunch ko, nakainan ko na po yan. Maraming spinach at saka saging. Kasi maganda to sa liver, no. Ang ginagamit ko po na oil, olive oil. Maglaklak po ako ng olive oil dahil maganda din yan siya sa liver. Isang isang kutsara sa isang araw.
I want to drink it.
Lunch ni Daniel. Toast na may sardinas and lettuce.
Macro.
Nehin lepo. Nehufnit. Gusto niya kutsarahin yung juice niya, oh.
Papa.
So, you like it?
Sweet. A little bit of spice.
Bumili po pala ako ng barley dito. Bumili ako ng 2. Kaya sabi ni mamang maganda daw to nakapagaling sa uncle ko, sa asawa ko ng tita ko. Natawa pa ako kay ang unang gawa ko, grabe kadami guys. Daw makasuka ako, ganyan ang nilagay ko. Tapos nung pinakita sa akin ni mamang, nakakunti lang pala ang laman ng sachet dyan sa atin. Natawa na lang ako, kaya grabe daw makasuka ako ba. Tapos nagtubod siya kasi yung siya ba, nagbula-bula. Kasi mainit po na tubig ang nilagyan ko. Hindi na siguro. Ayan lang. Ang anak ko guys, naglalaro sa labas. Ang tatay. Ayan o, nagbantay. Which medicine? It's alarming already.
Yeah, so it's two.
It says here, evening. Evening. Ang gamot ko po ay para sa aking heart rate na mag-relax po siya at yung ating antibiotic. Pasok na sila ng tatay niya. Pawis masyado siya ba? Giraffe, yeah. Amoy araw ka. Yeah, the giraffe?
Yeah.
Ik ben de giraffe. Heb je natten gezien? Ay, gevonden.
Hallo! Ik ben de olifant. Heb je Nathan gezien? Ay, gevonden!
Magsing ka na lang, be. Dali, magsing ikaw ng Yoki Anyat. Hipiripipura. Dali.
Yuki, ayat, tinggal pibula. Pipi, hipipi, hipipi, pula. Yes, yes, yes. Mapa in the rock, pula. Hipasa. Oh, yeah. Fish
It's for...
wow.
Goed zo. Van wie is dit feestje? Van wie is dit feestje?
Oh, yeah. Fish wow.
Goed zo.
Yuki, ayat, tinggal pula. Hipipi, 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 pula.
Wala na mga dots na itong mga kinakanta niya, guys.
Fish.
He got something for himself.
Yeah? What did you get?
Because suddenly we had more in the garage than before.
You want that? Look.
And then he also wanted to get toys and stuff. I got you something too.
Wait, that's not for me.
Why not?
I cannot eat that, Mama.
Why not?
I'm not allowed.
Who says?
Because of my liver.
They said you can eat everything.
Yeah, but I don't think so.
This you could not eat this because of your pregnancy, but you're not pregnant anymore. You can eat this.
Ano ba yung dried sausage?
You can eat this one. It's not alcohol. You can eat this.
Maybe it's not good for my liver.
If you don't want to eat it, then I'll eat it alone.
But you're so sweet, my love. Thank you. Tingnan niyo ang mister ko, guys. Oh. Grabe ka, perfect. Disney princess na naman tayo. Ang ribs, ready na. Kaya ko ito, guys. Tinatan, nag-wild kasi ba? Hindi ko kaya tinatan, kaya si Daniel tinatan. Naglit lang man ito, no? Pagod ako eh. Pinagalitan naman ako ni Daniel.
And I'm sorry I cannot split up and be there at two spots at the same time.
Late na kasi, bagutom na ako.
But what you did was not good.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Napagod ako mag-ukay ng karne. Can you check the one that they send you, mahal?
What do we need to do? And do you want something like water?
Just leave it for 50 minutes.
Okay.
Drama na naman. Ang mascara, nakanggal tuloy. May nagpadala kasi ng bulaklak sa amin. Malaking ano ba, bouquet. Tapos ngayon, dati pa lang, nasa ospital pa lang ako. Pag may magbisita, sinasabihan ko po talaga yung si M, tsaka yung si Dayan. Sinasabihan ko po talaga sila na huwag na magdala ng bulaklak. Kasi, pinapaalala po sa amin na, yung sa cremation po ni Lucas. Kaya naiyak po kami ni Daniel, no? Yung bulaklak, hindi namin pinasok sa bahay. Doon namin nilagay sa labas. Ibigay po namin yun kay Vika. Kasi nung cremation niya, baka dami po namin bulaklak na yun siya nagpapaalala sa amin ba nung time na yun. Grabe din po ang iyak ni Daniel. Pinakyat ko nga si Daniel pagkatapos namin mag-iyakan kay parang kinapos na naman ako sa hininga kay grabe ang ubo ko. Okay naman. Okay lang po yung bigay ni Bianan. Kay lang man yan, maliit lang man yan, guys. Pero yun kay grabe talaga magpaalala, mag-flashback talaga sa amin ba. Last na muna yan na bulaklak. Hindi na talaga kami magtanggap, guys. Huwag na muna ngayon, no.